course, the most painful thing to think about is commercial sex trafficking or any kind of inappropriate touching, sexual abuse, sexual harassment involving minors. It is something extremely difficult to think about and really just something to take very seriously in a T visa trafficking context. So, commercial sex trafficking is that same thing. We're looking for force, fraud, or coercion, and that in exchange there is a sex act. The thing that makes it commercial is that something of value is given or received by any person. Doesn't have to be the victim. It could be someone else that they care about receives something of value in exchange for the sexual act. Now, I said force, fraud, coercion, but when it's a minor, coercion is not part of the equation. If a sex act is induced, if a child is made to have sex, or if it's attempted on that child, and there's like some kind of grooming going on, then you might be in T visa territory. What could be the thing of value that is exchanged? It does not have to be money. Many people think that a commercial sex act requires the exchange of money. Anything of value. So, for example, a coach, a parent volunteer, some other kind of staff member might be grooming and preying on this child, expecting sex in return, and it could be even asking for pictures, asking for inappropriate touching. But the thing of value that could be exchanged would be a better position on the team, less laps that they have to run around, so easier physical practice, or just even the small gifts like stickers, pens, a new jersey, a new ball, new shoes, vape pens, anything that might be seen as something of value. And even reputation is something of value. So if there's a situation where some adult or even maybe like any older person who is preying on this child is trying to induce a sex act by the threat of blackmail or hiding or not passing on pictures of the child or spreading rumors about that person. So reputational harm can also be something, or the lack of reputational harm can also be something that is of value that could be the part of a sex trafficking T visa case. So again, if you were a student, athlete, or if you were participating in any kind of clubs and something uncomfortable happened to you in that process, whether you felt like you were being targeted to work more than seemed reasonable as part of the team, or whether it went even farther and someone was trying to make you have sex or asking for sex or any kind of attempted harassment like that. If you are a student who that has happened to, or if you are the parent of a student that has happened to, it is worth talking to an immigration law attorney to see if you may have any immigration options related to being a victim of trafficking in a sports situation. So please consult with an attorney and learn about what your options might be.